Hi everyone, Mark Kwok here. Today I want to talk about Ikea. You guys all know it, you guys all love it, I'm sure. Ikea is where I went for all my furniture, all my stuff back in the days of college and then a little bit post-college. But as I've gotten older, my disposable income has raised. I've kind of graduated, quote unquote, from Ikea. But every now and again, I'll go back to Ikea because, hey, it's an amazing store. So to be honest, I have indeed upgraded most of my things from Ikea to other things. However, there's no denying that for the price, Ikea just delivers like crazy. So I do want to talk about 4 things I still have from Ikea. I should have more than that, but I only had time to kind of bring out 4 things and why I still have them and if they're worth getting or not. So the very first thing is super cheap. It's only $7 and it's called the Varera. This is what it is. It's like an accordion almost. And to be honest, the quality is a little sus, but I mean, it's $7. Come on, like what can you expect? What is this thing, you may be asking? Well, it's an accordion. Just kidding, no. It's actually where you put pans, pots, lids, things like that inside of a cupboard. It's a really nifty thing because you can expand it so that you can have kind of like bigger pots in between and you can stand them upright a little bit. You can put lids like this and it just organizes things. It just makes it a little bit better because instead of shoving lids and pots and pans in cupboards just without any organization, this thing helps you out. I just don't know that many things like this that are out there. And when I discovered this from Ikea, I was like, oh man, like this is something that I should get. It does a job. Not much more needed than that. The second thing that I actually would recommend big time is a sheepskin rug. This is the Wren, I believe, but I think they've upgraded the name now. It's called the Uleslev rug now. It's used to be $30. I think they've upped the price a little bit to $39, but it's real sheepskin. It feels amazing on the toes, and I would highly recommend it. It just makes it feel better when you're entering the home, exiting the home, entering a new room or something like that. I have a couple of these, and I just think it's totally worth it. If you have bare feet in the house, it just feels so amazing and it just adds a bit of elevation to the touch of that place. Ultimately, it doesn't have much of a functional purpose, but if it's about the aesthetics and about like a small little delight you get during the day or the night, this gives it to you. The last 2 items are somewhat similar, but here's the first one. This is kind of just looks like a ball here, right? It's a glass ball and it's called the Fado lamp. It's a table lamp. And you put your own, I mean, it comes with its own LED bulb, but you can put your own bulbs in them. I actually fitted this one with a Philips Hue bulb. You can check out my review of Philips Hue because like all my lights are basically Philips Hue at this point. I'm kind of crazy like that. But it just looks fantastic. It's not that expensive. I think it's $30. I just don't think this sort of design goes out of style. So you should be able to have this for a very long time, but I highly recommend it if you have your own bulb, especially if you have like a colored bulb. It just looks awesome. It colors purple or blue, and it's just like this ball that's radiating this light. So highly recommend the Fado lamp. And yet again, another lamp. That's my 4th item. This is the Symfonisk table lamp as well. Now, you guys have probably heard about this one because it's quite popular. This thing is a Sonos lamp. So it's actually a speaker on the bottom. That's where this like kind of big part here is. And then it's a lamp on top. So it's innovative because you're getting 2 for 1. And I'm all about that minimalism life if I can. And so consolidating 2 items, fantastic. Now, obviously you need to be part of the Sonos system. Even if you're not, I think it might be worth it to have this. But if you are part of the Sonos system, it's something extra. You get that lamp and you can just set it. I have a Philips Hue in here again as well. So it has the light. And then it has a speaker as well. So recently they upped the price of this and upgraded everything here. I will say it does look better. Unfortunately, it went from being like $100 something like to I think $200 something. So a steep price hike, inflation, you know the drill. Is it still worth it? If you're very much about minimalizing to have, consolidating lights and speakers, you want that surround sound, I think it's fantastic and I think it's totally worth it. If I were to go out today, I would still buy this thing. However, if you don't need it, if you're not part of the Sonos family, if it doesn't really do much more for you than just being a lamp and also a speaker, like just the utility of it, then I wouldn't recommend it for its price. But this is yet another thing that I just enjoy having in my home, and it's from Ikea. Give it a shot, see what you think. These 4 items are 4 that I do recommend, but thank you so much for watching. My name is Mark Kwok. I'll see you guys on the next one.